how to delete your Grubhub account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Grubhub account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. To delete your Grubhub account, you'll need to submit a request through their website. So for that, you'll first need to open up your web browser. I'll just search for Grubhub account deletion. After searching for that, it should give me your delete your personal information and stuff like that. So I'll just search for account. And after you've done that, open the website up. After you open up the website, you will see delete your personal information. You'll have to tap on submit request. So tap on submit request and delete your account by tapping on it. So yeah, you'll need to log in. Since I'm not logged in, there was an issue. But if you're logged in into your Grubhub's website, if you tap on the submit request option, your personal information will be deleted and you'll have to verify your email address as well. And yeah, that's really simple. After you verify your email, your deletion will be finalized and your account will be deleted. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.